Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking about diversity visa lotteries in this particular set of videos. Now, what happens, let's say, after you get notification that you won? What are you supposed to do? Does that mean you can sit back, relax, and just start packing your bags? Well, not exactly. If you are selected as a lottery winner, you must obtain the visa within the fiscal year applied. So, if you want to finish up your business and not get around to doing what you need to do for a little bit, the diversity visa lottery is gone. So you need to move quickly the moment that you get notification that you have won. Now, under no circumstances can a consular officer issue a visa under the diversity lottery after the end of the fiscal year. It doesn't matter what your excuse is. You could be on a surgery for 4.5 months and in a coma, and it still won't matter. You need to get the diversity lottery visa the fiscal year that it has been issued. Now, the immigration service, has said that they will accept adjustment applications 90 days in advance of the actual date when the visa is available. So if you happen to be inside the United States and you're eligible to adjust status, you can do it within 90 days prior to when it actually becomes available, which is good because then you won't miss the date. Now, the actual actions filed or pending beyond the fiscal year in which the visa must be granted have generally been unsuccessful. So, again, I can't stress enough to make sure that you do it on time and that there's no reasons or excuses that they're really going to hear, even though I can tell you in the past number of years, dating back 10, 15 years, there's been lots of cases that have gone all the way to federal court because people missed or didn't understand what the requirements were and ended up ultimately not getting the visa. So you might want to contact an immigration attorney the moment you find out you've won in order to put through what needs to be done to show that you qualify. And then as far as how it goes, keep in mind that there's 55,000 diversity visa that are issued per year, but they actually approve about 100,000 because, if you look at my other videos, you'll find that some don't have the necessary education, some don't have the necessary work experience, some are inadmissible because of various crimes, relief, deportation orders, whatever it is, and because of all that, of the 100,000 they approve, they're still only going to allow 55,000 in. Now, let's just say some strange thing happened and all 100,000 qualified. Well, then it's first come, first serve. So that's why I'm saying the moment that you get the approval notice, which you'll get in your email, you need to move on it right away because it's a race to the finish line to make sure you get within that 55,000. Okay, more on the coming videos.